Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm barefaced, which means we're going to be doing a whole lot of application today. I just got my December Boxyluxe box in the mail, so we're going to be jumping into this, trying out all of the products inside, and giving you guys a full demo review and my thoughts on the box as a whole. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see what is in the December Boxyluxe box, keep on watching. I'm not going to hold the box up. That's too heavy. Anyway, first out of the box is the theme card, and it is Boxy Whimsy. Kind of cute, a little playful. Everything looks like mistletoe and holly, so very thematic for December. First item out of the box is going to be from Cosmetics. This is the facial roller. It is a hexagon-shaped cosmetics facial roller, and it is an innovative beauty tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance texture, uplift fatigued skin, and it retails for $69. I did forget to say, but this is variation 11. So this is actually really pretty. This reminds me a lot of the Nurse Jamie roller, which honestly looks the same, but that one's purple. And this is meant just to boost stimulation, kind of help to keep the elasticity of the skin. Supposedly in here it like vibrates, and the way that this is just going to help to firm and smooth and keep everything looking really pretty. I have seen Tati Westbrook using tools like this, specifically the Nurse Jamie one, and I've always wanted one and never had one, so I'm obviously very happy to have this in my box. When I saw that this was a variation, this was one of the few items that I 100% wanted. Next item out of the box, this is the Daily Concepts Your Hair Wrap Towel. Hair towel wrap reduces frizz, maintains healthy hair, reducing the cutting the time of blow drying and heat exposure, reduces the risk of split ends, retails for $18. I'm not going to be opening or trying this out today because obviously I don't need a hair turban. My hair is quite short, so I'm going to be dropping that in a future giveaway. And while I'm talking about a future giveaway, the next item out of the box I already have, so I'll be dropping this in a future giveaway. The item is from Storybook Cosmetics. This one is mine. And this is the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette. This one I have used, so if it looks like it's been swatched and played with, it has been. Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Eyeshadow Palette is a mystical palette featuring custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte metallic and pearl shadows. Cruelty-free, long-wear, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match with your favorite spellbinding look. This retails for $55. Yep, I am going to go prime my lids quickly off camera, and I'll be right back to throw a look together with this puppy. So I'm going to link a video that I did up here of kind of a side-by-side demo of this and another palette that was available in the box. But obviously this came in my box, so this is the one we're going to use today. The look I did the first time was like blue and silvery, so I'm going to be sticking to some of the warmer tones today. So I'm going to start with Thorn down here. We're just going to take that right in the crease. Then I'm going to take the shade Grim right here and really just darken this up. Make it nice and burgundy and smoky. I'm going to take a little bit of Briar Rose up here on the tip of that same brush. And I'm just going to gently blend up the crease. Then on a packer brush, I'm going to grab Enchanted right here. And I'm going to load that up and put that right on the lid. Going back into Grim, I'm just going to build that depth back up. So I'm going to set this aside because we are going to come back to it when I get ready to do the lower lash. But until that happens, I do not need mascara or liner or lashes out of the box. So I'm going to go throw those on off camera and I'll be right back. Mascara is on. So the next item out of the box, this is from In Beauty, the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. Energizing face mist is a pick-me-up you'll need to get through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Out TM complex This will help to reduce the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Naturally colored and scented to energize. This retails for $32. Now, this is a separated oil and water mixture, so I'm a little cautious how that's going to lay with foundation because oils and foundation don't always work well together, but it's a nice soft mister. Definitely smells very nice. Super pleasant. Feels nice on the skin. This might be a hit. Helps to set makeup, energize skin, revive skin. You can use it under makeup to prep skin or over throughout the day to refresh. So we're going to use this to set the makeup as well. But now that we've done that, I am going to jump into foundation, and we're going to do that on camera just so you guys can see how well this blends with foundation. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. I'm in the shade 5 Cool. I've really been enjoying this lately, and I'm going to take that right on the back of my sponge, grab a mirror, and blend this out. That might be way too much foundation. So right off the bat, I know I went a little heavy on the foundation, but it is what it is. It definitely is sitting nicely on top of the skin. Still has a nice healthy glow shining through. It is not super flat or matte, but it's working. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to go throw on concealer powder, and I'll be back for the next item in the box. All right, face is set down, concealer is on, and I did throw a little black liner in the waterline. I am going to grab that Grim shade right here on that same brush we've been using, and I'm just going to not drop things, to lightly smoke out the lower lash ever so gently. And then with nothing left on that brush, just going to blend towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of Enchanted, and I'm just going to reinforce the lid. And I'm actually going to take a tiny bit of that setting spray just to see how this foils the eyeshadow. Now that the eyes are done and we are heavily powdered, I'm going to take a tiny bit more of that refreshment spray. That really does smell delicious. So there are 2 more products that I will not be demoing on camera for various reasons. I'm going to go over that with you. The first, this is from Fresh. It is the Soy Face Cleanser. It is a gel cleanser for all skin types that has a cult following for the way it removes makeup. Even mascara without drying for soft, supple skin. It is made with amino acid-rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. It retails for $48. The reason I'm not demoing this on camera, first off, is it's a makeup remover. Second off, I have used this before. I don't love it. I do like it. It's one of those cleansers that I will not go out of my way to repurchase, but if I have it, I will probably use it. However, as I've said on camera many times when it comes to skincare, I won't use it for the sake of using it, because the second you pop this open, where's that fun little jar? You have 6 months to use it. So I'm going to finish up what I have, and then I'll decide whether I'm giving this away or if it's something I will be using in the future. And the next item I will not be using, this is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Face Oil. It is a soothing face oil. Luxurious and lightweight feel facial oil with a precious trio of rose extracts to smooth and soothe the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving a luminous glow. This retails for $79. Again, my skin's a little more on the oily side, so I don't love oils, so I will be passing on that. The next item, this is from M. Greengrass. It is a dry oil spray. This is a fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray formulated with high oils to deliver superior moisture, leaving the skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. It can also be used on the hand and body. It retails for $36. It's winter. I'm going to try it on my hands just because, again, I don't use stuff like this on my face. It says it's a dry oil, so it definitely is an oil, but hopefully it sucks in, absorbs in, and it doesn't feel greasy. Definitely leaves more like a powder finish, so I am going to agree that it's a dry oil, but this is not a product I see myself using, so I am actually going to give that to someone, family, friend. I'll find somebody with drier skin who might like that, but I don't think it's for me. It feels nice, it smells nice, but it just doesn't strike me as the type of product that I'm going to gravitate towards. And rather than have it sit and collect dust in my house, I'll give it to someone else. We have 2 more items left in the box. So I'm going to go throw on some bronzer and a little bit of blush, and then we'll be ready for the next 2 items. Beautiful. Bronzer and blush is on, so we are on to highlight. The next item out of the box from Ciate is the Confetti Highlighter. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. It is a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. I'm actually really excited because we haven't gotten a highlighter in a box that I have been head over heels with in quite some time. Not since we got the Artist Couture powders, and those I was obsessed with. I mean, I still am. So right out of the gate, this is a beautiful pan, and you can see how luminous that is on camera. So I'm going to take a clean brush and just swirl that in the highlighter. That is really pretty. So it is definitely, when it's all swirled together, it's a little more of like a champagne-y rose gold highlighter. It's a little bit more of a luminous powder. I find that it's not like instantly blinding off the gate, but the second you load your brush up and add just a tiny bit more, it is definitely vibrant. Yeah, we are beaming and glowing. I'm going to take a detail brush and throw a little bit of that on the inner corner as well. That is stunning. What I will say is this like multi-effect of all these different shades, it's a little gimmicky. I don't think that you necessarily need something like that. However, this is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really excited to use it again. I think it's it's just a beautiful tone. You know how you find things and just, it works? This is definitely one of those. And the last item out of the box, this comes from Too Faced Cosmetics. It is the Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss, Sparkle and Shine with each twinkling shade. A unique blend of light reflecting glitters for the ultimate rich effect. This retails for $21, and mine is in the shade Crazy Rich. It is a soft pink. On camera, it's looking almost purple. That's because this has what looks like purple and gold dual chrome glitters inside. So let's see how it works. In these lights, I'm definitely getting more of that purpley pink coming through, but I'm not mad at that. It's very pretty. It's very pretty, but I don't think this is something I'm really going to wear on its own. Feels like more of something I would layer with like a lipstick underneath or something else just to add a little bit of pop. But it is super comfortable. It's not very sticky, and it feels nice. So definitely a really nice gloss, that being said. So all in all, the box retails for $55, but the total value is $390, which means that as long as you can get $50 worth of product out of here that you love, you've definitely made your money's worth. The palette retails for $55, and honestly, I love the way it performs. This is now the 3rd or 4th time I've worn it, and every time I've done something unique and different, and I absolutely love this. I'm also a fan of the gloss, but I love the roller, and I think I'm really liking the setting spray. Like, my makeup is not being broken down at all. It just looks very pretty. So I have definitely gotten the $50 value out of this, even if it's only in these 3 products. Not to say I don't like the other... Oh, shoot. No, the highlighter. I put it not in front of me, and then I totally forgot about it. The highlighter is absolutely stunning. I love this as well. I don't normally swatch, but I am going to show you guys what it looks like when you kind of mix everything together, just so you can see the tone of it. But it is definitely a champagne-y, bronzy, pinky, rose gold. Like, I know that's kind of all the colors in one, but when you sheer it out, it is definitely a little bit softer, but if you wear it really blinding, it really does give you this pearly reflection on the cheeks. So all in all, this box is actually a huge hit for me. I am obsessed. So I will be also uploading a base box video as well as a premium box. So let me know down below what subscription level you get, because I will be doing an unboxing for all 3. So make sure to check in very soon to see those videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!